Hi there, my name is Jessica Delfino. I live in New York City. I love to make crafts here, and I'm part of a craft group called Craftermath. You can find us at craftermath.blogspot.com. Today we're going to make alphabet letter cards. So basically we're going to make a word on one side and then a picture to go on the other side to help people who are just learning the alphabet. So we're going to start with some cardstock, scissors, and I've got a Sharpie marker. It doesn't really matter what kind of marker you use, but that's the kind I happen to have here. So I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to cut some about index-sized cards. They don't have to be that large. Just like that is good enough. And now we're going to put on the other side what we're going to make on our card. So today we're going to do B. We're going to do the letter B. So I'm going to take my Sharpie marker and I'm going to write B on one side. B. Now on the other side is what we're going to put that begins with B. And since this is a craft video, we're going to make it crafty. I'm going to make a banana. So bananas are pretty much shaped like that, right? They've got the stem at the top, and then they've got some sort of lines that go down them. Got kind of a black top, like so. And they've also got a little bit at the bottom, and they've got like a couple little lines down, like so. Okay, now I'm going to take my Elmer's glue. Doesn't really matter what kind of glue you have. If you have a glue stick, that'll do just fine. Just put a little glue on the back. Don't be afraid to get a little messy. It's just glue. A little glue never hurt anybody, unless you drink it, which I don't recommend. Don't drink glue. Okay, just plop it right down there, like so. Smooth as butter. And then when you flip your card over, you have a B on one side, and you have a banana on the other. And now you know banana starts with B, and B is how you spell banana. Well, it's the first letter anyway. Happy crafting.